Hi, my name's Harriet and I'm the founder of Floatality Yoga. Today I'm going to teach you how to correctly do Cobra Pose, a common pose that's used in sun salutations, throughout flows, and also within various different styles of yoga. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So if you come down onto the mat and you're going to come into a prone position, so you're going to be lying on your stomachs. I want your face to be looking just in front of the mat to begin with, and I want you to put your hands underneath your shoulders. So your hands should be directly underneath your shoulders. Think about pointing your toes back as you press up through your hands. So really activate the legs. This should be an active position as well as a passive one. So inhale as you press up through the hands. Straighten the arms. I want you to almost, not quite completely, but almost lock your elbows out so you've got nice straight arms. Then think about rolling the shoulders back and down, pulling those shoulder blades down your spine. Your eye gaze should be forwards. Your neck should be nice and long and loose. Again, there should be no tension in the upper neck at all. Then you'll probably feel this in your lower back. So if this is too much for your lower back, you can always reduce the pose down to sphinx pose, where you're just coming down onto your forearms, eye gaze forwards. Again, making sure you pull those shoulders back and down, sliding the shoulder blades down the spine. If you're in Cobra and you're comfortable here, think about pointing the toes back. So really activate the legs, activate the feet, point the toes back, squeeze the glutes in, squeeze the inner thighs. You'll feel that this takes a lot of the strain off the lower back, and it also helps the upper body out a little bit. So not all the pressure is going through your arms. You're giving yourself a little helping hand by activating the lower back or the lower part of the body to pull the back upwards. So you're completely active all the way through from head to toe. And there you have it. That's a nice Cobra.